Do you need a quick and easy way to put your website in maintenance mode? Well, keep watching. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can do that today. Having your site in maintenance mode is an easy way to make changes to your website without your audience seeing your changes in action. And to do that, let's first head over to our WordPress dashboard. We'll be installing a plugin. So from the dashboard, you want to go to your plugins area. We'll click Add New. In the search section, we're looking for WP Maintenance Mode. This is the one we want to install. So let's go ahead and click Install Now. Once it's done installing, you'll want to make sure you also click Activate to activate the plugin on the website. And once it's activated, let's head over to our settings area, WP Maintenance Mode, to set it up. Now, by default, even though it's installed and activated, the actual status of it is deactivated. So in order to put it into activation mode, you want to make sure that you click Activate here. And you want to make sure that if you want search engines to still find your site, then you'll want to say yes to bypass for search bots. That's so your website will still be seen by search engines, and that's actually a really good thing for SEO. Now, everything else here is fine for what we need. So let's just scroll down and we'll click Save Changes. The other great thing about maintenance mode is as an administrator, you'll still have full access to your website. Now that you activate it, you also want to design the splash page for users. So we'll come over here and click Design, and this is what it will show by default, but you can change this to whatever you want. And you can select the color. You can also choose a background if you want. We'll just pick that. See, there's some other predefined ones that you can choose. We'll click Save Settings. Now, if your site is just starting and you want to also do a countdown timer to when it's launching, or also get a signups, email signups for it, then you can also go to Modules to set that up. And you can set up the countdown timer of when you want it to start, how you want it to show the remaining time. If you do want to show the subscribe page for it, and then if you want people to interact with you on different social network platforms, then you can add your handles here. Finally, if you want to integrate this with Google Analytics so you can see everything while it's in maintenance mode, then you'll be able to see how many have come to your site. Let's go ahead and click Save Settings. The Manage Bot area is if you want to install a live chat system while it's in maintenance mode, then you can do that here. And then finally, here's a way to allow for the GDPR compliant if you are collecting email addresses or subscribers, then you'll want to set that up as well. And now if a visitor goes to your site while you're in maintenance mode, this is what they'll see. The second method we'll use is also by using a plugin. This is called the SeedProd plugin, and it is a premium plugin with beautiful designs that you can add for the maintenance mode or for the coming soon page. So just head over to SeedProd to get the plugin. Once you purchase and download the plugin, we'll head over to our WordPress dashboard. We'll go to Plugins area, Add New, and this time instead of searching for a plugin, we'll come up here to the Upload Plugin area, and you'll need to find out where the plugin was downloaded on your computer. You can either choose File or you can drag and drop the file like this. Now you can click Install Now, and with other plugins, once you click Install, you'll also want to activate the plugin. Make sure you add your license key. You can find that from your dashboard area in the SeedProd dashboard. And now we're ready to set this up. You can either click on the Go to Settings page here, or you can go under Settings, Coming Soon Pro to set this up. So from here, you just want to decide, are you doing a coming soon page? So are you doing a brand new website that just needs a kind of a coming soon page on the front while you work on the website? Then you'll want to click that. You can also choose to enable maintenance mode, and that's simply if you are working on your website. And you can also redirect that. And that works well if you're shutting down an old website and you're redirecting all that traffic and all of those posts to a new website. You can do that here. So for us, let's do the Enable Coming Soon mode. And from here, we can click on the Edit the Maintenance page. And here are all the themes that you can choose from. You can either do something from a launching feature with the countdown. And like I said, they're beautiful themes to choose from. I'm going to choose this one and you can customize it from here. On the left, there are all of these areas that you can customize. So under content, if you have a logo, you can add that here. From here, you can change what's showing here. You can make changes here as you want. Down here, you can also incorporate your email marketing service if you have one. From here, you simply choose that from the drop-down and configure it here. So there are several things that you can do. And once you're done with everything, just simply click Save. And now we can see what the website looks like with this. Did you learn something from today's video? If so, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll send more helpful tips to help you manage your WordPress website. And thanks for watching.